what up, and welcome to another episode of the vlog. We on a new week, right? Shedding off that shitty week that we suffered last week and moving on to a newer and better week. This week's the final week of this power phase, the power block. And yeah, same lifts, but different progressions. And now I've done my workout and I am supervising Ron. I'm not really supervising, I'm just watching and getting you guys a little insight into the mad mind of Coach Ron and how he trains, all right?
Lat kneeling, lat pull crunches. Bruh, I know I do a lot of crazy shit. It's probably the craziest. Best core workout, ab workout I've had in months. No doubt. Check it out. Oh, yeah, man. We from the old school. From the old school. You come home, you tell me something complaining you ain't handle your business, your mom's gonna kick your ass for getting bullied. Then she gonna send you back to go kick his ass. No, son, you handle that shit on the spot. That's what's wrong with these kids now. They can't handle adversity. They run home and cry. Handle that shit on the spot. And that's how we made friends back in the day. You get in a fight with somebody, you don't run, because all they're gonna do is keep beating you up. You fight them. Then next thing you know, y'all got respect for each other. Next thing you know, y'all boys for life. That's how we made friends back in the day. These kids don't know nothing about that now. Don't know nothing about that. They get punched in the face, they can't handle it. Can't handle it. Don't get punched in the face.